Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's early this morning, about to head to Cars and Coffee in Concord. It's a couple hours away. Never been, but I heard it's a great meet. Figured I'd go check it out this morning. Taking the C7 again. It's a longer trip and I got some suspension work to do on the C5, so I don't feel like risking it this morning. I've already packed up the car, excited to go get shooting, so let's head out. Pit stop, forgot. I have like no gas, so stop by the gas station, then we'll be on our way. It's cold out here. Let's get going. Hey everybody, figured I'd give a little bit of a voiceover, keep it a little less boring today. Starting out, just going over my settings, trying to get everything dialed in. Pretty cool, don't see many DeLoreans, there are actually two at this meet. Got a little wave from the lowrider going by. I really was not prepared for how cold it was going to be this morning. The wind started picking up and got a little chilly. Here's the first DeLorean. Pretty cool. Never seen a gated manual, so I thought that was pretty neat. Always got to get the wheel shots. Really cool rims on this C8. At this point, I realized it was way too cold. Luckily, I Got some gloves after the last time I came to Charlotte and shot at night. Figured gloves wouldn't be a bad thing to keep in the camera bag. They really saved me on this day. I honestly don't think I would have made it through the day without them. These two M3s right here were really cool. The one with the livery obviously is awesome, and then the black one was insanely clean. Wanted to get a little bit of practice in with the Pocket 3. It's a really cool little camera. Just left it in my pocket and took it out a little bit throughout the day. Got some clips. It's really nice to just be able to take steady shots without having to carry around a gimbal or worry about doing too much stabilization after the fact. I always like to get a little bit of foreground in my shots, whether it be people or objects or whatever. Keep it a little more interesting. This Z06 is honestly what I want next. Jetstream blue is just such an awesome color. And this C4 right here was actually super clean. You don't see too many of them nice anymore. Again, getting a little bit of foreground. The shot's a little more interesting. Awesome C5 in the background. This cutlass right here really drew my attention. The blue was awesome, and I love the wheels on it. It was just an awesome car. Figured while I was here I'd do a little bit of practice and some panning. I haven't done it since last summer, and got a few motorsport events coming up, so wanted to get a little bit of practice in. I realized that slow speed is so much harder to pan than actual cars on the track. Moving the camera, wanted to give you all a little bit of a different view. A little better than just being strapped to my chest the whole time. At this point it was starting to rain a little bit, super cold. My hands were still cold even with the gloves on, and it's getting a little windy too. Super clean STI. And of course, you have most people's favorites, the R34. Gotta love them. Really nice blue on this McLaren. I was happy with the shot. And this Sylvia was also super cool. At this point, rain started picking up a little bit. I could have sworn it was sleeting at one point, but already here. Might as well keep going. Sometimes the rain can give you some pretty cool shots. Especially when it's beating up nicely like on here. Really makes some cool detail shots, any badge or wheel shots. Tail lights, they all get a little more interesting. Right here you can see what I mean, all the water beating. Gives it a really clean look. Foreground, another Corvette. Love the C6s, can't wait to have another one. Hopefully in a couple years I'll be able to get one. Little tail light shots. Love when the tail lights are on. Get that glow effect with the lights. I think it came out really nice. Right here you have the King, one car that I really hope to own one day, C6 ZR1. It sounded super awesome, super choppy cam. And this shot right here is probably my favorite of the day. I really like how all the rain's on it, tail lights lit up, a little bit of rain on the lens. These CSs are awesome. Really love the yellow lights. It looked awesome on the white. Another tail light shot. Really cool build on this one. I love the front fenders. Awesome color on this Lexus. It really looked great in person. A lot of changing in the colors. And then this McLaren right here actually had PPF over it. It had actual paint splashed all on it. And then this right here is actually my old C6. I didn't know he was coming. I know the guy, he's super cool. I talk to him all the time. He's local to me, and I didn't know he'd show up. Another really cool badge shot right here. I love the way the light's coming in on the other side. And that was going to do it for me. Cold was getting to me a little bit. Figured I'd go ahead and head home. I'd taken enough shots and on to the next one. Alright, just got packed up here. It's a great meet. Super cold, rained a little bit, but great turnout. Excited to get home and get these pictures edited. If you made it this far, appreciate you for watching. Let me know which car you like best in the comments, and catch you next time.